Light a campfire. Everyone's a storyteller. In fact, your friends may gather. The stars are better company than a lot of your tent mates. They're very pretty, they're very beautiful, and they almost never snore. A great many people these days, and more of them all the time, they live their entire lives without ever once sleeping under the stars. Can you imagine that? But you get a good fire going, your friends gather, you get your stories, good company, good food. There's nothing like it. David Barry says, "It always rains on tents. Rainstorms will travel thousands of miles against prevailing winds for the opportunity to rain on a tent."